Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Victor Morgan and this is VMorgan Tech. On this channel, we'll talk about everything crypto. I bring you opportunities for you to make money in the crypto space. Alright, very quickly for this video, I'm going to talk about Edge Finance, Testnet, and early adopters rule. Alright, you know how important it is for you to be an early adopter for any protocol or project because when rewards gets to come, rewards get to be distributed to the early adopters, alright, as we know it. So right now, what's on ground is that by depositing their SOL, users are able to borrow for a one-time fee of 0.5%, the USH stablecoin interest fee at a minimum collateral ratio of 110%. I mean, freaking dope, freaking dope. That's what Edge Finance is all about. Okay. See, 0% all of that. Yeah. So okay, very quickly, how to get the adopters role. You go to Edge Finance Discord using this link. So that's going to take me to my Discord account, and then I'm going to verify and then react with the two emojis as shown over here. The link of this guide is going to be in the the video description. So do well to follow it or follow this video tutorial so as not to get lost in it. Yeah. So this is it. Join the Edge and all of that. Okay, I'll just look around for now and then I'll complete this. I'll check this, submit. All right, so over to the React Verify. I'm going to use both of these emojis here, there to verify, and here, all right, to grant additional permission, as you can see. All right, so the next step is for me to go. I mean, if you try this and you don't get in, you might have to try several times before you can get in. Okay, now you can request an early adopter rule before 24th, 2022. All right, so try to watch this video on time. I mean, if you're watching it on time, then you're watching it on time. There's no two way about it. But then just take action. Okay, now this is a testnet guide. All right, so it says you will need Phantom Wallet for this test net. All right, so you're going to have to get the Phantom Wallet. All right, you're going to have to get the Phantom Wallet. I already have the Phantom Wallet on my Chrome browser over here. Yeah, I already have that on Chrome. As you can see, Phantom icon is over here, and okay, so what you're going to need to do is to go over to your browser, to your wallet, change network, change it to DevNet, and we're going to try and get the faucet. So I'm just going to copy this link. All right, so I'm using different browsers, definitely. So I'll paste the link here. All right, and then I'll come over to the Phantom wallet, and then I'll change the network. Quickly log in. Settings. Um, settings. I'll go over to change network, and then I'll change to DevNet. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to tap on Solana, all right, and then you tap deposit, copy the address on DevNet. Okay, it's going to be the same address as your mainnet, though. Paste it here, and then you're going to tap the DevNet, all right, so tap the DevNet, and you're going to receive one, so as you can see, successful airdrop. So what you want to do is you tap on Edge Finance, okay, and then you're going to connect to Phantom. But first things first, you have to download Phantom. Okay, you have to download the Phantom wallet. The link is going to be in the description. Add to Chrome or your QA browser, as the case may be. Save your seed phrase, and then you set up your account. All of that. Okay, come to settings, and then come down to change network, and then change to DevNet. All right, so you're going to be on the DevNet. All right. So as you can see, I have 3.98 SOL already because I've already gotten the testnet faucet out of that. Okay. The testnet faucet, I got one. So okay. So what you're going to need to do is you need to come your select wallet and connect to Phantom. All right. So we just confirm the connection, and that's that. Okay. You come over to the vault, and as you can see, 110%. You tap open vault, And then as you can see, I have 3.9 Sol. So I'm going to deposit 2 Sol, and then I'm going to create the vault. It's building transaction and then waiting for my confirmation, which I will provide now. I'm going to sign that transaction. All right. Okay. So it says this transaction may fail, but then I'll approve that. All right. Transaction successful. Okay, it's going to finalize right now. All right, success. All right. So if it doesn't happen the first time, you have to try again and all of that. Okay. So back to the guide. Um, After confirming that, I'm going to put in 110 here, and then I'm going to get the USH. All right. So um, I'll put 110. All right. And I'll get USH. As you can see, this is the USH that I'm getting. That's about US dollars. All right. And a collateral ratio 184. Everything is good to go. Yeah. Then I'll get USH, and then I should confirm this transaction, approve this transaction. Finalizing transaction, and boom, success. So guys, I tried this over and over again before this could work, and it's crazy. Yeah, so I've successfully borrowed, taken the loan, and now I'm going to all right, guys. So here's what to do. You come over to that's after receiving your loan. As you can see, I have 110.55. You come over to pools, okay? Come over to pool, and then you're going to deposit some of your USH, all right? You're going to deposit, as you can see, deposit instability pool. So I'm switching over from this guide to the official testnet guide, as you can see over here. So the links of both guides is going to be in the description. Please note that I've been having issues when I try to repay this loan. All right, I said in step 5 over here. But instead of doing step 5, cancel that, don't do that. Go over to the testnet guide, okay, the official testnet guide, and then you deposit in the stability pool, okay. So I'll read this over here. It says, since we are on the devnet, the only thing we can do with USH stablecoin is to deposit it in the stability pool. All right. So feel free to deposit as much as you want. The USH deposited, the more USH deposited, the more UDH tokens you can earn based on a revenue share of the current reward rate. Okay, your reward accumulated over time. All right, fine. So the more you do, the better for you. Okay. DevNet time is currently behind the current time. Does the reward display in UI be maybe higher than in reality? Okay, so this should be fixed soon. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to deposit some amount of USH over here. Okay, and then the next picture says you should have deposited already. As you can see, you deposited so and so amount. And then the next one says you should lose close and claim position. All right, so but this will be done when you have enough UGH token, you can claim them. You may notice that your USH has been used to earn sold by liquidating other risky positions. All right, so that's what we're going to do exactly. As you can see, I took 110, so I'm just going to deposit 110 over here, and you see deposit here. Transactions, signing transaction has been quite buggy. I mean, having to repeat transactions over and over again. So um, it might happen to you, but just keep trying, and it is meant to work. All right. All right, guys. Transaction successful, as you can see. Deposited 110 USH, and I have the edge counting over here, right? This is my reward for that. So you can see this is the total USH in the pool, and then the tokens per day reward rate, okay, at 3,709. All right, so your reward is going to be based on the how much edge you accumulated. Like I mean, your reward in edge is going to be based on how much of USH you deposit and the more you repeat. You can repeat over and over again though. All right. All right, guys. So this is the way for you to go around this test net. All right. But this take HDG and NUSH. All right. This is another way for you to earn the Edge tokens. If you have the HDG tokens, you may deposit them as shown below to share to earn a rev share of protocol fees in USH. All right. So right now, I do not know how to get the HDG tokens. Okay. I guess that's going to be for the main net, though. I guess that's going to be for the main net. So once you get that, if you have that on the main net, you're going to have to come over to pools, and then here it is. Okay, you're going to have to provide your edge tokens. You understand? Yeah. So it's going to be this. Or if you amass or if you claim enough edge tokens, okay, over here, if you claim enough edge tokens over here, you should be able to stake all of that edge here. All right. So that's that for the test, guys. The next step is for you to try to become part of the early adopters. All right. If you come over to the Discord channel, um, you're going to find, if you look at this right hand side, okay, you're going to find the first adopters over here, and for that you have 115 people already as the first adopters. But then if you scroll down, you're going to find the early adopters over here. Okay, we have 1000 early adopters over, I mean, right now. All right, so what you're going to need to do is that you need to, I mean, look at the protocol. You just need to look at the protocol and just try to find ways to improve this protocol. All right. Look for bugs and look for things that can change. I mean, you can make changes to and all of that for it to improve its efficiency and all of that. Yeah. Take screenshots of that if you like. I mean, for me, I already took some screenshots and all. Yeah. And come over to the Discord channel. On the feedback page, provide your feedback. Just for example, you have a screenshot of what you want to do, provide your feedback, and then attach your address to it. Do you understand? Attach your address to it, provide feedback, attach your address and all of that. And also on the feature page too, if there are new features you want them to add, just do well to add the features. All right, on feedbacks you can provide bugs, on features you can provide new features and all of that. Yeah, so just provide all of that here and leave your wallet address. Okay, in no time they would add you to the early adopters. All right, the early adopters, as you can see, by now they should have added somebody, if I'm right. As you can see, 111. So do well to jump right in this app and be part of these people. All right, guys, so do well to smash the subscribe button on this channel. Stay with us for more of this content. Thanks for the time, guys. Peace.